ÆSTICO is a software company from the heart of Zurich, and we want to free craftsmen from all over the world from pen and paper and all the associated hassles. Hi, I'm Rafael Mottl. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ÆSTICO. We from ÆSTICO want to free craftsmen in renovation projects from all the hustle they have with pen and paper, from administrative overworks and overtime back in the office to lost pages and unreadable notes. Our clients, like painters or floorers, use our mobile application on a tablet directly at the customer side. He is able to create in minutes nice and clean renovation plans and associate the renovation works he is planning on doing on that project. A craftsman saves 1 hour per renovation project. He is able to easily hand over projects to his colleague and exchange immediately information from the construction site to the back office. My biggest wish is that we can set an end to finger pointing about construction errors between architects, building owners and craftsmen. For that, we need tools such that these errors do not arise from the very beginning.